Hey guys, and welcome back to HealthClick. In this video, I will show you what is electromagnetic antifreeze car snow removal devices, what it claims to offer, and how to use it. So let's get started. According to the product's website, first of all, you may find that on many websites. You'll find this on Rayhon websites, on the Richline websites. You may find this on Amazon, eBay, or even AliExpress. So depending where you will find it, you'll have to read the details provided that specific seller or that specific website. It might be a little bit different from that video or from this video. So normally this device is designed to help reduce the ice and snow buildup on your vehicle according to all the sellers and websites during the cold weathers. And the company says that it uses electromagnetic technology and the solar power design as a part of its operation, making it a portable solution for winter driving. According to the websites, the device is designed to work without any external wiring or batteries. The company also says it features a compact design that fits basically inside most vehicles and can be installed using an adhesive base. The products page states that is intended for use on different vehicle types and designs to operate automatically in cold weather conditions. But as I said before, it might be a little bit different depending on the website that you're going to buy from. And to use the device normally, according to the product's instructions, first you'll have to clean the area where you want to place it on your vehicle's dashboard or the windshield area. Then you'll have to remove the protective back line or backing from the adhesive base and attach the device securely to a clean flat surface. If your model includes a power switch, turn it on after the installation, and the website says the device is then intended to operate automatically. If you'd like then to purchase the products, just click on add to cart or buy now on wherever you want to buy it, and you'll be taken to the checkout page. From there, enter your shipping and payments information and complete your order by following the on-screen instructions. But before purchasing, it's also a good idea to review the product description on wherever you're buying it from and also any reviews that might be included with the same website as well. So I hope this was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. Hit that like and subscribe button and watch our next video.